News Oklahoma weather.
Well, I have to give a shout out to my girl Annie Brown. It was around Thanksgiving that she was giving kind of that Christmas Eve, Christmas forecast. And she said there would be a chance that there would be some snow around this time. And my friend, you nailed it.
Really not every time. We're staying hopeful.
You were right, though. We have some white stuff on the ground, and we certainly have the feeling of Christmas in the air with the cold stuff around.
Julie, I think a lot of us too are kind of ready for a little bit of a break from this cold, just for a little bit. Even if it's a small window, because it has been very cold, dangerously cold conditions. Live look right now, use our Pensacola camera. This is all part of Wade's RV Weather Camera Network. I'm going to actually stand off of this because Julie and I are kind of taking this in.
Yeah, it's something else.
It is something else right there. You can just looking at it is making me cold.
We wonder if there might be a little ice like on the lake there.
I wouldn't be surprised because temperatures have been very cold and we're continuing to deal with this Arctic chill, if you will. Wind chill advisory, we're counting it down because it does expire by 10 a.m. For those counties shaded in blue, you remain under this wind chill advisory up until 10 a.m. where we're seeing wind chill values below zero in those locations. Now, if you're not under that wind chill advisory, you're still cold, but we're not seeing those below zero. We're sitting right at zero here for Tulsa, 5 for Muskogee, Stigler at 5 for McAllister. Current temperatures are above that. Thankfully, we have plenty of sun in store for today. We will keep that sun around as we head into the afternoon hours. And what everyone's excited about, ready, Julie, right there. Less wind.
Yay.
I mean, the sun's great, but the less wind is going to really help with that added chill. Still dressed in all those layers, 16 degrees, getting to about 26. We're going to stay below freezing. We've remained below freezing. Julie and I were talking about this as well since Thursday morning. So now we're easily 48 hours plus with temperatures below that freezing mark. So we're going to continue to monitor this. Unfortunately, not climbing above that for today. Highs right about 28 if we're lucky, 25 up in Bartlesville as well as Coffeyville, 24 over in the Grove. Seasonal average is 49. Doesn't that sound good right about now? For tonight, plans of getting out, maybe joining family, getting out, maybe going to church. Here's what you can expect. North winds will be with us. Chilly coats. Layers, it should say, layers. All the layers will be needed. We're not going to be fighting any precipitation, so no added snowfall is anticipated on top of what we've already had. 9 degrees for your overnight low in Bartlesville, 12 here for Tulsa, 11 over to Pryor. Again, that normal for overnight lows is right about 30. Unfortunately, we're going to fall off quite a bit, so keep that heater going and make sure you have multiple ways to stay warm. For your Christmas Day planner for tomorrow, we're going to stay in those teens early in the morning. Sunny skies finally. How about this? A little Christmas present for you right there. Climbing above freezing, but not until tomorrow. Still staying cold, mostly sunny skies, but 36 degrees, staying those temperatures in those 30s by the afternoon. For your future track, here's what you can anticipate. We do have a clipper system worth mentioning that's going to just nick the northeastern, far northeastern portion. So we're talking about the Miami extending down towards Grand Lake. Could see a little light precipitation, but not anticipating any accumulation. And yes, the temperature's still hovering right at freezing and below. It's going to be a little bit of a mix going on. We're talking about freezing rain, but again, no accumulation is anticipated. Anything that does fall, 42 degrees by Monday. We do have temperatures that will be warming up quite a bit. How about 57 by Wednesday? Almost sounds too good to be true. And then 65 Thursday, Julie. How about that? We do